Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the most talked about products online. Today, we're taking a closer look at what's been hailed as the best Activet alternative in the grooming world. The Swihauk self-cleaning slicker brush for dogs and cats. Whether you're a pet parent of a fluffy golden retriever, a long-haired kitten, or a playful bunny, this grooming tool promises to make de-shedding and fur maintenance a breeze. So, let's break it down and see what makes this brush a must-have in your grooming kit. At first glance, the Swihauk Slicker brush stands out with its vibrant purple color and sleek, oblong design. But beyond aesthetics, this brush is loaded with practical features. It uses fine, stainless steel bristles with rounded plastic tips to make grooming comfortable and skin-friendly, even for pets with sensitive skin. This makes it ideal not just for dogs, but for cats, rabbits, and other long or short-haired pets. One of the key highlights is its self-cleaning mechanism. With a simple press of the button on the back, the bristles retract, pushing all collected fur out for quick and hygienic cleaning. No more digging hair out with your fingers. Just click, clean, and you're ready for the next session. Now let's talk about build quality. The handle is made from thermoplastic elastomers or TPR, which gives it a soft, ergonomic grip that fits comfortably in your hand. Whether you're grooming a large dog or a squirmy little kitten, the brush gives you excellent control and reduces wrist strain during long sessions. The construction feels sturdy and durable, thanks to the use of high-quality stainless steel in the bristles and a compact overall design. You can tell this brush is designed for long-term use and can withstand regular grooming without bending or breaking. When it comes to performance, the Swihauk brush truly shines. It effortlessly pulls out loose fur, mats, and tangles, leaving your pet's coat smooth and healthy. The bristles penetrate deep into the undercoat while still being gentle on the skin. This helps reduce shedding significantly, keeping your home cleaner and your pet more comfortable. It works equally well on long and short hair. Whether you're brushing out a golden retriever's thick fur or a short-haired tabby cat, it adjusts to the job and removes hair without pulling or causing discomfort. What really sets the Swihauk brush apart is its combination of comfort, efficiency, and ease of use. Many brushes in this category are either too rough, too flimsy, or just hard to clean. Swihauk manages to check all the boxes. It's gentle, durable, and incredibly user-friendly. And let's not forget, it's designed to be used daily without wearing out or irritating your pet's skin. This is the kind of grooming tool that doesn't just make your life easier. It actually makes grooming enjoyable, for you and your pet. So, is the Swihauk self-cleaning slicker brush worth it? Absolutely. It offers salon-level grooming at home with minimal effort. If you're tired of constantly cleaning fur off your couch, carpet, and clothes, this is your solution. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next product deep dive. See you in the next one.